Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Do solemnly swear to support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies.
Served in the U.S. Armed Forces. This means anybody who was or is in the Army, Navy, Marines, Air Force, Coast Guard, or any of the reserves. The United States Legislature made November 11th Veterans Day. They called for the President of the United States to send a proclamation each year requesting that all buildings in the United States display the American flag on November 11th. Congress also asked that the people of the United States observe this day in schools, churches, and all places. They were encouraged to have ceremonies
According to regulations and Uniform Code of Military Justice. So help me God.
Because Veterans Day is a federal holiday, many American workers and many American students have the day off of work or school, so they have time to honor and celebrate those American veterans. Also on this day, many government offices are closed. Mail is not delivered on Veterans Day. Also, Veterans Day is intended to celebrate all American veterans. Sometimes it's confused with Memorial Day. However, on Veterans Day, we celebrate all veterans, not just those who have given their lives and not just those who have gone to war. We celebrate anyone who has the willingness and desire to sacrifice their
Those who say that we're in a time when